Alright, so here we have Bitcoin on the 1 hour. As you see, we finished that bar that we were talking about. We had this move right on the dot, right on the dot. People were talking about this head and shoulders. Tried to tell everybody the volume profile wasn't right, and look what happened. Head and shoulders failure. So we can take a measured move of that head and shoulders because we did fail it and mark that out. It's the oh, hold on. Lines up with 17,640. All right, but I do think we would go higher from there. So let's go back to the candles. And right now you are getting a multi-crossover of the moving averages. Let's go over the chart layout so then you guys understand what I'm looking at. You have your moving averages here, yellow being your 21, red being your 50, blue being your 100, and purple being your 200. Then we have the VPVR here to the right, which measures horizontal volume at a certain price level. Just like your volume is vertical, this volume is horizontal. Then you have your momentum oscillators, one being your RSI, another one being your MACD. Then you have a volatility measurement, which is your BBWP. So, like I said, we have the multi-moving average crossover. We're waiting for the fan-out confirmation. Now, I've seen double BARTs before, okay? Are we going to get a double BART and take out all this liquidity right here and then continue up? We have three scenarios here, okay? First scenario is that we BART, okay? We BART and then head back up. Actually, we have four scenarios. Three. The other one is that we break down and break this trend line. The other scenario is that we pop above this, don't make the BART, 17,200. We close above there. That's going to look very good. And well, never mind. I'm not sharing my trades. So, I mean, you know what I'm doing now for the one scenario. And after that, I think we go to 18,200 to 18,400. Okay. And that's the bullish scenario. Okay. Even if we come down and BART, you know, which what a BART is price action goes up, chops around sideways, and then cracks back down, looking like Bart Simpson's head. You can also have an inverse. You can always have an inverse just like this. You know what I mean? So we could have a double BART here and then pop back up, possibly down to these moving averages at about 17K. Now, if we close below 17K, next stop is the trend line. And there would be a high probability that we would break that trend line. If we break below 17K on a 4-hour closure, I do think that we'd probably break this trend line. Because that means we're breaking down and we don't get this fan out confirmation. That 21 and that 50 is going to curl over. That's not going to look good. Right now, your RSI, bullish control zone. Now, the thing is we do have bearish divergence here from this point to this point. That's why I'm saying this could BART down, because bearish divergence has not played out yet. For sure. This isn't even a 1% move right here. All right, so we're just going sideways right now. MACD, check this out. Fresh cross to the downside. Negative momentum is increasing on the histogram. BBWP is very low. Okay, very low right now. So when this thing turns around, gets back above that 10 percentile, that's when the move's going to happen. So watch that BBWP. It'll save you a lot of time. Okay, so if we do BART down, like I said, I think we break this trend line. But we'll find out. All right, but those moving averages are going to curl over. Your momentum is going to be negative. You know, it's going to cascade down. We actually have two drives of bearish divergence. No. Nope. Hold on. Yes. No. Okay, just one. All right. That's about it for Bitcoin. If you guys like this video, like and subscribe to the channel. Check out the links in the description below. One being the Discord. A lot of good conversation about crypto, trading, investing, markets as a whole. We stay ahead of these moves collectively. We figure out this market together, and we stay ahead of these moves. So join the Discord. Also check out the other links below. One being Bybit. You know, they just opened up a decentralized exchange. So definitely check that out. You know what I mean? Because then if they go down, you don't lose your crypto. You know, that's how it goes. And that is a serious thing right there. Other thing, what was I gonna say? I forget. I'm not gonna waste your time. Let's move on to Ethereum. Come on, TradingView. Okay, still in our box. Same thing as Bitcoin, but we are about to get the multi-moving average crossover of the 200. Look at this. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. We are in the bullish control zone. MACD. Hold on. Let's check out the RSI. RSI. Let's see. Hold on. We got bearish divergence. We got bearish divergence here. Are we going to get the BART down? Maybe to the 50 or the 100. That would make sense. You know, down to 1260. Down to 1260 region. That would make a lot of sense to me. MACD. Fresh cross to the downside. Negative momentum starting to print on that histogram. Look at this. BBWP is heading up to that 10 percentile. Okay? As soon as it crosses it, that's when the move is going to happen. It's probably to the downside. Now, I'm 70% bullish or bearish. 30% bullish. But remember that there's always that 30%. I'm just telling you what I think. I do think we get a pullback, okay? I don't think we break down. I think we get a pullback. That's my opinion, okay? You know, if you trade off that and get wrecked, that's your own damn fault. I'm not your dad. So, you know, I am trading this. So, you know, I have skin in the game. I have skin in the game. So I'm not just telling you like, you know, things about this market and I'm not even in it. I have skin in the game. So yeah, we can BART down. Bullish case is that we break this last high, 1300. I would expect 1325 pretty quickly. Next stop is 1400 if we break out of this red box. Next stop is 1400 if we break out of this red box. Okay? If we break down, we are screwed. If we break down below this 100, we're coming all the way back down to 1225 and then $1,000. I think if we break this, we go to $1,000. Just this 200, 1250, 1255, 1255 on a 4-hour closure. We're fucked. Okay, if you're bullish. All right. Oh, sorry for my language. This is a kid show. Actually, no, it's not. But let's continue. Let's move on to Solana. Solana had quite a little move here. All right, but let's see here. Nope, I don't want to do that. Bearish divergence. Two drives. No, one drive. Let's see here. Let's see. Yep, one drive. Bearish divergence. Oh, I want to go back to Bitcoin real quick. I want to show you something. Fibonacci. Okay? This is why I think we get the pullback to the levels that I was talking about. Okay, you got your golden pocket between your 786 and your 618. Those moving averages sit right in there. 17,000. Okay, right in the golden pocket, which is where we get pullbacks to a lot. So 17,015 is the minimum that I think. Okay? Watch the market right now. You know, watch the market. Even as low as the 618 at 16,960. Okay? That's what I'm looking at there. Now, another thing. Let's go here. Look at this. We have a bearish order block right where we're at right now. We can't get above it. Not right now. So, do we crack below, you know, the middle band? 17,179. Middle band of the Bollinger Bands. Right now, your stochastic is pointing down. Strong up downside curvature. Okay? Let's go back to the other chart. Let's go to Solana. Back to Solana. Looks like we're getting a pullback probably down to the 100. I think we go to the 21, the 200, and the 50. And the POC point of control in the VPVR right here. Major level of support. And that's the lowest I think we go. Right now, RSI trying to get in that bullish control zone. Above your signal line. MACD, pretty fresh retest. Negative or positive momentum decreased all the way, but now it's picking back up. You know, and that happened during this sideways consolidation. And then when we hit this, that's when it started picking back up. Okay, so right now we got these candles. Look like we're in a pullback. Okay. Bullish case is that we break this high all the way up at 1430. All the way up at 1430. Okay. Next stop is 1495. We break 1495. Next stop is 1835. After a pullback, a major pullback from 16. Okay, I know that's like few and far away. We're going to be coming back to it way before that happens. But that's what I would think if we break those levels on a 4-hour closure. So let's continue. Bearish case is that we break this downside consolidation. And let's see. 13. I'd like to see 1360. 1360 on a 4-hour closure. We would have support here. 1353 at the POC, but honestly, I think we just bounce it back to the consolidation point of 1365. Yeah, and then next level, 1334, possibly even, yeah, I'd say 1328. We break 1328. Oh man, we'd be screwed. We'd be coming all the way down to 1279. Far drop. We'll find out. We'll come back to it. We will keep you updated on the markets. If you guys like this video, like and subscribe to the channel. Check out the links in the description below. Join the damn Discord. It is the place to be. I wish everyone well. Everyone have a great morning, great afternoon, great evening. And I will see you tomorrow.